let you comment on what the last caller said. We can't be doing this, passing a budget, without hard numbers. And then we only have 2 minutes left. I kind of want you to give your final argument here. But what do you think about what that caller said?
Well, I think he's absolutely right that one of the problems is that they were trying to do a budget with a lot of numbers were going to be. The problem is that the tax rate increase was a permanent increase. They could have made it a one-year tax increase. They could have sunsetted it and basically went with the premise that we don't know. These are some uncertain times. But what we are certain of is it was a permanent tax increase. And I just think that's wrong. The caller, I think, is absolutely right. We do need good. We would be in a better position if we were fiscally conservative, if we were putting money away every year for a rainy day fund. I mean, why don't we have a rainy day fund to cover this problem? Well, because we've spent that money bringing tourists to downtown, bringing party buses to bachelorette parties, but they haven't spent it on the infrastructure in this town, and that's what we're losing. I think this is a start. Let me be very clear to your listeners, this doesn't solve every problem in Metro. This idea of doing good government type ballot initiatives sort of came to me about 10 years ago, and there's really getting the city out of debt, funding our pension liabilities, making sure we have enough police officers and fire stations for a city this size. Focus on the city instead of Amazon and Dell and all these people we've given away the city to. That's just part of this. I mean, this is just the first step. So those of you who think it doesn't do enough or it doesn't do what you want, trust me, there's more coming down the line here.
All right.
This is just the first step.
Well, thank you. Jim Roberts, attorney with Nashville Taxpayer Protection Act. Thank you for being here. We'll take a break, come back, wrap everything up. Be back right after this.